Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see how to cancel any subscriptions linked to your Apple ID from your iPhone. Yes, just by using your iPhone you can cancel any subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. So let's start the video guys. First of all, do one thing, open your setting applications. But guys, before that, for such amazing helpful videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks, please like the video and subscribe. So now getting back to the video, for this method do one thing. First of all, open your setting application, open settings. In settings, open your profile, tap on profile, and here below there is an option called subscriptions. Okay, go ahead and open that. Once you open that, here you will see all your active subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. So if you see here active, inactive, everything will be listed here. So whichever subscription you want to cancel, just go ahead and tap on that and open that. Once you open that, here if you see the amount, the renewal date, everything will be mentioned here. Along with that, there is an option that is your cancel subscriptions. If you see, just go ahead and tap on cancel subscriptions. Once you tap on that, automatically that particular option will be given to you. Just go ahead and confirm it. Once you confirm it, that particular subscription will be removed or cancelled for your Apple ID. So how easy it is and simple method to follow the steps. So guys, that's it. I hope you got the video. I hope it was a helpful video for you, and if yes, then please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solution. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.